Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Wallpaper Engine to run on startup. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up the Wallpaper Engine app. Now once this one is open, I want you to come here to the top right and click on settings. Now from here, what I want you to do is click here on General, which will be the second tab, and here you should see Automatic Startup. Now you'll see the first option being Start with Windows. Make sure this one is actually toggled on like this with a check mark. And then what I want you to do is click here on OK to actually save the changes. You can also set this to high priority if you want while you are at this. I'll just go ahead and leave this at normal priority. Click here on OK. But what you can do to go ahead and confirm is come here at the bottom left, right click on the start icon, click here on settings. And now on the left hand panel, you should see apps. I want you to click on that. And now down here, you should see startup. And once you click on startup and scroll all the way down, you should see Wallpaper 64. Make sure this one is toggled on. As you can see right now, it was off, so it would not have worked. So just toggle it on and there you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.